Introduction. Welcome to today's lecture on MOSFETs, the metal-oxide-semiconductor field effect transistors. MOSFETs are one of the most widely used transistors in modern electronics, powering everything from microprocessors to power supplies. In this lecture, we'll explore what a MOSFET is, how it works, its types, characteristics, and practical applications. 1. What is a MOSFET? A MOSFET is a type of field effect transistor that controls current flow using an electric field. Unlike BJTs, which are current-controlled devices, MOSFETs are voltage-controlled. This makes them highly efficient and suitable for integrated circuits. 2. Structure of a MOSFET. A MOSFET consists of four main terminals: the source, the drain, the gate, and the substrate or body. The gate is separated from the channel by a thin insulating layer of silicon dioxide, which gives the MOSFET its very high input impedance. This makes MOSFETs excellent for amplification and switching. 3. Working principle. When a voltage is applied to the gate terminal, it creates an electric field that controls the flow of electrons or holes between the source and drain. By varying this gate voltage, we can control the current in the channel. If no voltage is applied, the MOSFET is in cutoff mode. When the voltage reaches a certain threshold, a conductive channel forms. Increasing the voltage further enhances the channel conductivity. 4. Types of MOSFETs. There are two main categories of MOSFETs. Enhancement type MOSFET requires a positive gate voltage to turn on. Depletion type MOSFET conducts even with zero gate voltage, and a reverse voltage reduces the channel conduction. Additionally, MOSFETs can be N-channel or P-channel depending on the type of charge carriers. 5. Characteristics. The key characteristics of MOSFETs include very high input impedance, low power consumption, fast switching speed, ability to handle large currents in power MOSFETs. 6. Applications. MOSFETs are everywhere in electronics. Some common applications include switching power supplies, amplifiers in audio and RF circuits, digital logic circuits such as microprocessors, motor control, and power management. Conclusion. In summary, MOSFETs are the backbone of modern electronics. Their voltage-controlled nature, efficiency, and versatility make them indispensable in both analog and digital circuits. Thank you for watching.